Brand across the net. Before you step out, before you say, I'm going to try to get a real estate agent, I'm going to try to get a loan officer, I'm going to try to network with any of these people, you better be ready. You have to have a website, you better have a YouTube, you better have a LinkedIn, and you better have a Facebook. And all four of those properties have to speak to each other with the same brand all the way across. People that's not even in the affiliate world look. If I want to do business with you, I'm gonna look. We all look, trust me. You're in the Uber, you're looking. You know, you're on the plane, you're looking. You're standing in the post office, you're looking in line. So this stuff has to be right before you step out and say, oh, I'm a credit repair company. No. You gotta have game here. That LinkedIn gotta be right. That YouTube gotta be clean. That website gotta be clean. And that Facebook has to be clean.